So I turned on my TCL Android TV and suddenly these strange horizontal lines started appearing across the screen. They would show up randomly in different places, and every time they appeared, the TV would completely freeze. Then, as soon as the lines disappeared, the TV would respond again, only to freeze once more when the lines come back. At first, I thought it was just a temporary glitch. I tried turning the TV off and back on, but that didn't help at all. The lines kept appearing, the TV kept freezing, and honestly, it looked like the display or even the entire TV might be failing. At this point, I disconnected the TV from the power source and opened it up myself. If you're interested in the disassembly process, you can find the detailed teardown video on my channel. Once inside, I noticed that a layer of dust had accumulated on the motherboard over time. Using a clean soft brush, I carefully removed the dust and debris from the components and surrounding areas. After that, I used dry contact cleaner and sprayed it across the motherboard to help remove any remaining contaminants. I then left the motherboard to dry for about 15 minutes. After putting everything back together, I powered the TV on and immediately noticed that the horizontal lines were completely gone. Even better, the freezing issue had disappeared as well. The TV was working normally again. The only line still visible is a single vertical line, but that one has been there for a long time and is related to the display panel itself, not the motherboard. So if your TCL Android TV is showing random lines and freezing at the same time, cleaning the motherboard may be worth trying before spending money on repairs or replacing the TV. If you've experienced the same issue, let me know in the comments below. I'd be interested to hear whether this fix worked for you as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.